Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on Instagram stories. If you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money on Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix no sound on Instagram stories. If you find that as you're scrolling through your Instagram feed or watch people's stories you hear no sound, there are two ways to fix this. If you're watching just a random video, you can tap the small button on the right here to turn on the volume. You can also use the volume buttons on the side of your device to turn the volume up or down. Either choice will unmute the video you're on and play the sound. Now, when you're in stories, the second option will work. Tap on someone's story and use the volume buttons on your device. This should make your device play any sound that is on that specific story. Alright, this hopefully helped you fix no sound on Instagram stories. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.